The fourth law of power from the 48 laws of power is always say less than necessary. This law suggests that in any situation, it is better to say as little as possible, and only speak when it is necessary. This can be a very powerful tool in situations where one needs to maintain control or gain an advantage. The power of saying less than necessary lies in the fact that people tend to expose more about themselves when they are talking than when they are listening. If you can keep your mouth shut and let others do the talking, you can learn a great deal about their thoughts, motivations, and intentions. Additionally, by saying less, you avoid making mistakes or revealing too much information that could be used against you. The first step to follow the fourth law of power is to understand that silence can be a very powerful tool. When you are quiet, others will often feel uncomfortable and may feel the need to fill the silence with their own words. This can lead to them revealing more than they intended or saying things that they later regret. Another key aspect of saying less than necessary is to be aware of your body language. When you are listening to someone, make sure that your body language conveys your interest and attention. Maintain eye contact, nod your head, and use other nonverbal cues to show that you are engaged in the conversation. By doing so, you encourage the other person to continue talking, and you can learn even more about them. When you do speak, it is important to choose your words carefully. Make sure that you are saying only what is necessary and that you are not giving away any information that could be used against you. Be concise and direct in your communication, and avoid unnecessary details or explanations. One of the most important aspects of the fourth law of power is knowing when to speak and when to stay quiet. In some situations, it may be necessary to speak up and take control of the conversation. However, in other situations, it may be better to let others do the talking and simply listen and observe. Ultimately, the fourth law of power is about using silence and careful communication to gain an advantage in any situation. By saying less than necessary, you can learn more about others, avoid making mistakes, and maintain control over the conversation. It is a powerful tool that can be used in both personal and professional situations, and it is essential for anyone who wants to succeed in life.